kapag ginawa nating open ang ating system, okay, what will happen sa Open RAN, katulad ng ginawa natin, no? So from traditional network, ito yung ating traditional RAN, we will disaggregate yung mga hardware and then software, and then we will open it, yung mga interfaces natin para mas maraming operators at vendors na makasali. And then we will activate them with RAN intelligent controller. Babalik na naman yung controller natin. But this time, the RAN intelligent controller is powered by artificial intelligence / machine learning. Okay? So yung mga optimization natin, yung mga decisions ng resource management will be handled by artificial intelligence. Okay? So when we go sa Open RAN, okay, when we go sa Open RAN, ang mangyayari dyan is like this na, no? So ang mangyayari sa atin, yung Open RAN natin will have an open and interoperable radio access network solutions, no? Gagamit na tayo ng mga general purpose processors para sa ating mga radio, remote radio unit, okay? At mga COT server, mga open hardware natin para sa mga BBU at sa centralized unit at distributed unit, and yung mga interface natin are open. Okay? So from here, the interfaces are open, okay? And then it will be powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning through the radio RAN intelligent controller. So ganito yung magiging architecture, no, ni Open RAN pagdating natin sa Open RAN system. Yan. So meron tayong remote radio unit, okay? Remote radio unit, andito yung 4G or 5G network, yung ating DU, yung centralized distributed unit, meron tayong centralized unit, nandito si RAN intelligent controller. Kino-control niya yan. Okay? And then connected na tayo sa 5G core network. Okay? So ganyan yung magiging ating journey starting from 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, and then we'll open up the radio access network going to Open RAN. So tanong, kung meron bang Open RAN, sir, sa 2G, 3G? So merong vendor na nagsusupport niyan, like si Parallel Wireless. So they're offering all G RAN, no? Open RAN. But most of the vendors na nakita namin is focusing on 4G and LTE. And sabi ko nga, sa 5G naman, sa European operators, they are prioritizing yung NSA at non-NSA para sa Open RAN system. Okay?